Hello, my hard-working students, and welcome back to another video. These videos are mainly catered towards pupils who struggle with maths and pupils who have special needs and need a bit of extra help. So my lessons are broken down into small steps and they're visually explained. So if you are a visual learner, that's perfect for you as well. If you are a high ability student, you can also have a look at these lessons and I'm sure you're going to have something to learn as well. So let's get started. Now, the first thing is a starter. Here you have to look at these images and you have to look at the view from the top and see which one of these matches which one of these, okay? I'll give you a few seconds. You can pause the video and have a look, see if you get it. Okay, so let's see. If you look at this shape here, this one doesn't have anything to match with. So if you look from the top here, you're gonna see an orange circle. And then you should be able to see a green one and then a blue one. But there is no orange and then green and then blue. Okay, so this doesn't have anything matching. This one, on the other hand, you should be able to see an orange bullet, then you should be able to see a red one, and then you should be able to see the green one, and this one is the same size, so you can't see this one, and you can't see this one because it's the same size as that one. This one you're not going to be able to see because this one's bigger. You're going to be able to see this one and this one. So basically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to have 5 rings. So obviously it's not this one or that one. So it starts with orange, then it goes to red, then green. So it obviously is this one. Yeah, that's how you do it. Right, so now let's move on to the first example. So now I want to randomly choose number and I'm going to show you how to write the factors of a number. Factors of a number are numbers that you can divide something by. So for example, if I choose a 12, okay, the factors of 12 are 3 times 4. So I can write a 12 as a 3 times a 4. So a 3 is a factor of 12 and 4 as well, okay? And these factors come in pairs. So the next pair of factors, how else can I write 12? I can write it as 1 times 12, and I can also write it as 6 times 2. And yeah, I think that's it for now. So basically, first step is write the factors in pairs, okay? Let's just write pairs. And then the second step is to order them. If it says enumerate all the factors of 12, the easiest way to find all the factors of something is to do this. And then you have to order them. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Yeah, don't forget the 12. A lot of people forget the 12. Don't do that, okay? And let's try another number. What if we do 20? How can I write 20? I can write it as 2 times 10, 1 times 20, 4 times 5, and I don't know, is there anything else? Am I missing anything? No, not really. Those are the factors. Okay, so 20 has the following factors. Yeah, so first you write the pairs, and second step is you order them. So first one is 1. You can even cross them out to make sure you wrote all of them and you didn't skip any. Second one is 2. Then 4. Then I have 5. Then I have 10 and 20. 10 and 20. Yeah, don't forget itself. Because 12 divides by itself. Yeah, so 12 divides by 1, by 2, by 4, by 5, and by 10 without having a remainder. Okay, that's it. That's my example. So now is your turn. Here are a few factors. And I left this blank space in case you wanted to write on the screen. But the best thing is for you to write in your book and pause this activity, pause this video, and then I'll show you the answer in a bit. Okay, and now I am back. Let's see. Here are all the examples from A to N. Yeah, you have all of them, all the numbers in order. If you see something like this is called a prime number. A prime number only has two factors, one and itself. Yeah, that's a prime number. We'll learn about that in future lessons. Okay, so mark this work. And then we're gonna do a little bit more practice, and then I'll show you some tricks. Okay, so moving on. Pause the video, try to do these questions, and then I'm gonna show you some tricks. Okay, so I'm back. Let's see. One of the easiest way to figure out if a number divides by 3 is by adding up the digits. This trick works with 3 and with 9. It means if you take the 14 and you do 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 gives you 5. If 5 doesn't divide by 3, means this number doesn't divide by 3. Now this trick is not very helpful if you only have 2-digit numbers, because you know for sure these are going to divide by 3. But when you have numbers like this, that's way easier. If you just add up, you add the 9 and the 1, that's an 8. Obviously that's not going to divide by 3. Not that you have to. Okay, so you keep doing that. Yeah, you can do 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 doesn't divide by 3. This is not a factor of, this is not a multiple of 3. Then you have 57. Is 3 a factor of 57? You can do 5 plus 7 is 12. It means yes, divides by 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, doesn't divide by 3. And 100 is 1 plus 0 plus 0, which is 1. So that doesn't divide by 3 either. Okay? Then when you have the 5 times table, think about the 5 times table. What's the 5 times table? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, now when you have numbers in the 5 times table and you have to figure out if they divide exactly by 5 or not, look at the last digit of the numbers in the 5 times table. They're either 5 or they're 0, right? So it means that's all you need to check here. It doesn't matter how many digits. Yeah, 1, 2, 7, 9, 8. If you have a number like this, it doesn't matter. You only look at the last digit, and that's enough to tell you if it divides exactly by 5 or not. So this one, yes, this one, no, this one, yes, this one, no, this one, yes, because it ends in 5. This one, it doesn't divide by 5. This one does because it ends in 5. Okay? And if you want to do the trick with the 9, you have to do the same as with 3. You add up the digits. If the digits divide by 9, it means your number divides by 9. Yeah, so I'm just going to do the first two here. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 11 doesn't divide by 9. Then you have 90 is 9 plus 0 gives you 9. So that divides by 9. Then 7 plus 2 is 9. Yes. 1 plus 8 is 9. This one works. This one doesn't work. And this one is not working either. Okay, so that's how you do this activity. Now, you probably don't need the answers for this one because I just showed it to you. Okay, and now here's the last one. Just spend a few minutes, have a look at that and see which one is the odd one out and why. And then we'll show you the answers to that as well. Okay, and we're back. Here are the answers. Okay, 21 is the odd one out because 5 is not a factor of 21 and all the other ones are. And then for question 2, 28 because 3 is not a factor of 28 and probably all the other numbers were multiples of 3, so they all divided by 3. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you've learned something, and please leave some feedback. With anything you would like me to try differently, I'm happy to do it, as long as you just tell me what you would like to see in this channel. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye for now.